Variable names in Python are like the labels on your storage boxes. You can choose something short and snappy like X or Y, or go for something more descriptive like age or car_name. Just remember, a variable name must kick off with a letter or an underscore, never a number. So, no starting with one st_variable. You can mix letters, numbers, and underscores, but keep it clean, no special characters allowed. And here's a fun fact. Variable names are case sensitive. That means age, and ag are three distinct variables, each with its own identity. Lastly, steer clear of Python keywords. Those are reserved for the language itself. So, no naming your variable def or class.
Stick to these rules, and you'll be a variable naming pro in no time. Variable names in Python are like the labels on your storage boxes. You can choose something short and snappy like X or Y, or go for something more descriptive like age or car_name.
When it comes to variable names, clarity is key. Using multi-word variable names can often lead to confusion, but fear not. One popular technique is camel case. Imagine writing a variable like user profile data. The first word starts with a lowercase letter, while each subsequent word kicks off with a capital letter. This makes it easy to read at a glance. Another method is snake_case, where words are separated by underscores like user_profile_data. This style is particularly popular in Python and can enhance readability as well. Then there's kebab case, often used in URLs, where words are separated by hyphens like user profile data. While not common in programming, it's worth knowing.
Ultimately, the goal is to choose a style that enhances clarity and consistency in your code. Remember, a well-named variable can save you and your teammates a lot of time and headaches down the line.